Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. In this video, I am going to teach you computer and last lesson, which is internet services. I hope all of you are aware about internet services, that what is internet and what are the services given by an internet to us. It is given in your book that information searching a very popular service on the internet right now. Yes, because with the help of internet we are gathering information of any topic, any subject, anything. Means if we are if we don't know anything about any, you can say what they call it, news or anything, then we can get the information on internet. These days they are very popular, very common. So Google is most popular search engine, it is telling. You all know that. Here are some interesting facts about Google, which is given in your book, that Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. They were PhD students at Stanford University. While they were, when they was student of Stanford University, that time they found the page. They make that it was made by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Second was Google's first office was rented garage. See, जब Google start हुआ था, when it was started that time, it was basically started in a garage. Means that time they don't know, it became very popular, and people know about worldwide. So this was very popular, that not popular because that was just, you can say, उसको बोलते हैं apprentice, means starting early time. That was the co-founder Larry Page and Sergey Brin originally named Google as Backrub. यहाँ पे लिखा है जो co-founders थे लैरी पेज एंड सर्गी ब्रिन ओरिजिनली नेम गूगल, उन्होंने गूगल को नाम क्या दिया था, बैकरब, but later it was changed. And the name Google is actually derived from mathematical term Google, which basically 1 to 100 zeros following it. See, this Google name is originally taken from mathematical term Google, which is basically 1 with 100 zeros following it. So this is the actual meaning of Google. And the first ever doodle was Burning Man's stick figure. See, the first ever doodle was Burning Man's stick figure. So this was the first figure which was, stick on doodle. Now, it is given the internet is the worldwide system of interconnected networks of computers. As I told you so many times, every year I am teaching you computer, and every year I am telling you the same thing, that network is a connection of टू और मोर कंप्यूटर्स. मीन्स जब एक या एक से अधिक कंप्यूटर्स क्या होते हैं, एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होते हैं, मोर देन वन कंप्यूटर्स आर connected with each other through wires, they made a, you can say, connection which is called interconnect network. वो एक दूसरे से जब कनेक्शन बनाते हैं तो वो होता है interconnected network. And just because of that, this term interconnected means right now all the computers are connected with each other through internet right now. Through worldwide we can simply send messages, we can get the letters, we can get the pictures, images, videos, and anything, any type of message we can get, any type of social information we can get. So internet is a worldwide system. As I told you so many times that right now the world is a, you can say, ग्लोबल, यू कैन से विलेज. पूरी दुनिया जो है ग्लोबल विलेज बन गई, यानी कि गांव बन गई है. नो बडी इज़ वेरी फार फ्रॉम अस राइट नाउ. वी कैन सिंपली रीच देम एट एनी टाइम, एनी you can say any time, and any purposes, any purpose. So this is very easy just because of internet. So it consists of many networks connected to one another, form a global network. As I told you, another computers connected to the internet can communicate and share information, which that means we can share informations with anyone. The usage of internet has increased so much in the past few years that it became an important part of our day-to-day life. Yes, it has now computer is, the uses of internet becomes so, you can say much, so that it has become a, you can say, part of our day-to-day life. You know that right now everybody and every person is, using mobiles, smartphones, and they are using इंटरनेट. तो इंटरनेट आज के समय में एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट और सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरियात चीज़ हमारे जीवन में आज के समय में हो गया है. हम आज खाने के बिना एक टाइम रह सकते हैं, लेकिन बिना एक टाइम डाटा रिचार्ज के नहीं रह सकते हैं. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग इज these are happening these days. From beginning, a small network setup was US Department to Defense to connect the computers at different sites. The internet has become long way. See, सबसे पहला, earlier it was introduced by the work of US Department. सिर्फ US Department के चीज़ों को, मतलब फाइल्स को इधर उधर करने के लिए ये नेटवर्क फॉर्म किया गया था. एंड लेटर ऑन व्हेन द ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी ज्वाइन दैट, it is not given in your book, but I am telling you, when the Oxford University's students join that group and then they form a large network, now it has become the internet, which is basically worldwide, you can say worldwide known, that is internet. So in this lesson we will discuss about uses of internet, some etiquettes, and then you can say also the services which is provided by the internet. So I think you all known about these things. So this is the, first you can say introduction of internet. I hope all of you understood. If you not understood, then ask me in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.